Labeling and pharmacovigilance. Labeling refers to all official safety and product information documents associated with a medicinal product. It helps healthcare professionals and investigators understand the drug profile and perform an unbiased benefit-risk assessment for prescribing or clinical trials. Labeling documents are reviewed periodically, usually annually, and updated based on new safety data in compliance with sponsor and regulatory procedures. The objective of labeling and pharmacovigilance is to ensure a uniform approach in adverse event evaluation, maintain consistency, and follow regulatory guidelines using reference safety information. Reference safety information, or RSI, is the core safety information used as a reference for evaluating expectedness of adverse events and is derived from labeling documents. Types of labeling documents include investigator's brochure, company core datasheet, company core safety information, local product documents, summary of product characteristics, and U.S. package insert. Expected or labeled events are those already documented in RSI and mentioned in documents such as investigator's brochure, SMPC, or USPI. Expectedness is based on documentation and does not confirm causality. A known event may or may not be caused by the drug. Unexpected or unlisted events are those not documented in RSI. In case of insufficient information or uncertainty, events should be considered unexpected. Criteria for expectedness include whether the event is already present in RSI or whether it matches known profiles in terms of nature, severity, specificity, and outcome. Labeling is critical as it drives regulatory reporting decisions, determines expectedness classification, supports signal detection, and ensures patient safety. In conclusion, labeling forms the foundation for safety evaluation in pharmacovigilance. Causality assessment in pharmacovigilance. Causality assessment is a method used to determine the relationship between a suspected drug and a suspected adverse drug reaction. Common methods include WHO-UMC system, Neuronal probability scale, and other algorithm-based approaches. Objectives include classifying adverse events, guiding investigation, supporting regulatory requirements, signal detection, and safety reporting. It helps reduce variability, improve consistency, enhance scientific understanding, and support signal detection. D-challenge is withdrawal of the suspected drug. If the event improves, it is positive D-challenge. If not, negative D-challenge. Re-challenge is re-administration of the drug. If the event reoccurs, it is positive re-challenge. If not, negative re-challenge. Positive D-challenge and re-challenge provide strong evidence of causality. Other methods include probabilistic, algorithmic, and clinical judgment approaches such as French method and ABO system. Causality assessment helps determine drug-event relationship and supports regulatory decisions. In conclusion, causality assessment is a core pharmacovigilance activity. (21 CFR Part 11). 21 CFR stands for Code of Federal Regulations Title 21. It is regulated by the US FDA and applies to pharmaceuticals, biologics, and medical devices. 21 CFR Part 11 defines the criteria under which electronic records and electronic signatures are considered accurate, authentic, reliable, trustworthy, confidential, and equivalent to paper records and handwritten signatures. This regulation ensures data integrity, security of electronic systems, and compliance in computerized systems, especially in pharmacovigilance and clinical trials. An electronic record is any combination of data such as text, graphics, audio, or images that is created, modified, stored, retrieved, or transmitted by a computer system. An electronic signature is a legally binding digital equivalent of a handwritten signature created using symbols or codes and linked to electronic records. Without proper controls, electronic systems may lead to data tampering, falsification, unauthorized changes, and loss of data integrity. (21 CFR Part 11) is divided into 3 subparts: Subpart A General Provisions, Subpart B Electronic Records, and Subpart C Electronic Signatures. Subpart A includes scope, definitions, and implementation requirements. Subpart B focuses on electronic records including controls for closed and open systems, audit trails, record security, and record signature linking. Subpart C focuses on electronic signatures including general requirements, signature components, and controls for identification such as passwords. The electronic signature process includes authentication, execution, linking of signature to record, and prevention of alteration after signing. Electronic signatures must be permanently linked to records and must prevent copying or falsification. (21 CFR Part 11) ensures data integrity, regulatory compliance, and reliable electronic systems, especially in pharmacovigilance databases. In conclusion, 21 CFR Part 11 ensures electronic records and signatures are secure, reliable, and legally valid. CDSCO, Central Drug Standard Control Organization. CDSCO is the national regulatory authority of India under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. It is responsible for approval of drugs, regulation of clinical trials, and ensuring drug safety and quality. The National Pharmacovigilance Program, NPVP, was launched on 23 November 2004 in New Delhi, forming the foundation of pharmacovigilance activities in India. CDSCO operates through a central office in New Delhi along with 6 zonal offices, 4 sub-zonal offices, 13 port offices, and 7 laboratories across the country. The Pharmacovigilance Program of India, PVPI, monitors adverse drug reactions and ensures drug safety across the country. PVPI is coordinated by the National Coordination Center at the Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission in Ghaziabad. The mission of PVPI is to safeguard the health of the Indian population by ensuring that the benefits of medicines outweigh their risks. PVPI collects adverse drug reaction data, analyzes it, recommends regulatory actions, and communicates risks to healthcare professionals and the public. The vision of PVPI is to improve patient safety and reduce risks associated with medicines by strengthening pharmacovigilance systems. Adverse drug reaction reporting in India is voluntary for healthcare professionals and is collected through ADR monitoring centers under PVPI. CDSCO and PVPI together ensure drug safety, enable signal detection, and support regulatory decision-making in India. In conclusion, CDSCO and PVPI form the backbone of pharmacovigilance in India. Medication errors. A medication error is any unintentional error in prescribing, dispensing, or administration of a medicinal product while under the control of healthcare professionals, patients, or consumers. Medication errors may arise from professional practice, healthcare systems, or product-related issues including prescribing, communication, labeling, packaging, compounding, dispensing, distribution, administration, monitoring, and patient use. Medication errors can occur at different stages such as prescribing errors, dispensing errors, administration errors, and monitoring errors. Most medication errors are latent errors, meaning they are hidden within the system and can be identified and corrected to prevent recurrence. Common causes include incomplete patient information, lack of drug knowledge, miscommunication of drug orders, and improper labeling during preparation or repackaging. Environmental factors such as poor lighting, noise, interruptions, and workload stress can contribute to medication errors. Human factors include lack of training, inadequate experience, and improper use of medical devices such as injectables or insulin pens. Patient-related factors include poor understanding, incorrect self-administration, and non-adherence to treatment. Medication errors can lead to adverse drug reactions, treatment failure, increased healthcare costs, and patient harm. Prevention strategies include clear communication, proper labeling, training of healthcare professionals, electronic prescribing systems, and patient counseling. In conclusion, medication errors are preventable events that require system-level improvements and awareness. MHRA, Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. MHRA is the regulatory authority of the United Kingdom responsible for ensuring the safety, quality, and efficacy of medicines, medical devices, and healthcare products. MHRA was established on 1 April 2003 through the merger of the Medicines Control Agency and the Medical Devices Agency. The mission of MHRA includes protecting public health through regulation, promoting understanding of benefit-risk balance, supporting innovation, and providing reliable information. MHRA plays a key role in pharmacovigilance by monitoring adverse drug reactions, evaluating safety signals, and implementing regulatory actions. The Yellow Card Scheme is the UK system for reporting suspected adverse drug reactions and was established in 1964. Healthcare professionals, patients, and caregivers can report adverse drug reactions through online systems, mobile apps, or paper forms. Pharmacies display yellow card posters to guide patients in reporting adverse drug reactions. The Yellow Card Scheme supports signal detection, post-marketing safety monitoring, and public health protection. MHRA communicates safety updates through drug safety updates, alerts, and public advisories. In conclusion, MHRA ensures drug safety in the UK supported by the Yellow Card Scheme. Case reception and triage in pharmacovigilance. Case reception is the initial stage of the ICSR life cycle, which begins when a patient experiences an adverse reaction after taking a drug or combination of drugs. Adverse events can be received through multiple sources such as telephone calls, emails, fax, standard mail, and reports from healthcare professionals or patients. Steps in case reception include receiving the case, documenting receipt, acknowledging if required, indexing, filing source documents, and booking the case into the database. Clock start date is the date when any person in the company first becomes aware of the adverse event and is considered day zero for regulatory reporting timelines. Each case must undergo duplicate check, logging, and initial data entry within 1 business day of receipt to allow timely triage. Triage is the prioritization of case information based on regulatory, medical, and scientific criteria. Triage parameters include seriousness, expectedness, and causality, which determine reporting timelines. The purpose of triage is to ensure compliance with regulatory timelines and identify cases requiring expedited reporting. Triage is critical as it ensures timely submission to health authorities, supports signal detection, and maintains compliance. Poor triage may result in delayed reporting, regulatory non-compliance, and missed safety signals. In conclusion, case reception and triage are foundational steps in pharmacovigilance, ensuring timely and accurate safety reporting. Black triangle medicines. In the European Union, certain medicines are marked with a black inverted triangle symbol indicating that they are under additional monitoring by regulatory authorities. The European Medicines Agency maintains and updates a list of medicines that are under additional monitoring. Additional monitoring aims to enhance reporting of suspected adverse drug reactions and to collect more safety data early in the product lifecycle. Medicines are included under additional monitoring if they are newly authorized, have limited long-term safety data, or contain new active substances. Healthcare professionals are encouraged to report all suspected adverse reactions, ensuring increased vigilance and faster signal detection. Patients are also encouraged to report adverse drug reactions, contributing to real-world safety data collection. The black triangle symbol does not indicate that the medicine is unsafe, but rather that more information is needed and monitoring is intensified. The symbol appears in product information documents such as the summary of product characteristics and package leaflets. Black triangle medicines support early signal detection, improve patient safety, and strengthen pharmacovigilance systems. In conclusion, black triangle medicines are closely monitored to ensure continuous safety evaluation. EMA, European Medicines Agency. EMA is the central regulatory authority of the European Union responsible for scientific evaluation of medicines, ensuring safety, efficacy, and quality, and supporting public and animal health. EMA was established in 1995 and was previously known as the European Agency for the Evaluation of Medicinal Products until 2004. Each EU member state has its own national competent authority which works in coordination with EMA to regulate medicines. EMA provides independent scientific recommendations on quality, safety, and efficacy and supports innovation in the pharmaceutical sector. EMA is responsible for centralized marketing authorization, allowing medicines to be approved across all EU countries. EUDRA is the EU system for electronic exchange of ICSRs, signal detection, and continuous monitoring of safety data. It supports early detection of safety signals and evaluation of potential safety issues. The EUDRA Vigilance Clinical Trial Module is used for reporting suspected unexpected serious adverse reactions in clinical trials. The EUDRA Vigilance Post-Authorization Module is used for managing post-marketing ICSRs. EMA ensures harmonized regulation, supports safety monitoring, and promotes innovation across the EU. In conclusion, EMA plays a central role in pharmacovigilance supported by EUDRA Vigilance. Regulatory intelligence. Regulatory intelligence is a structured process of collecting, monitoring, and analyzing regulatory information from sources such as regulatory authority websites, newsletters, RSS feeds, and international organizations. The purpose of regulatory intelligence is to maintain compliance with evolving regulations and support both investigational and marketed products. Core activities include monitoring updates, gathering data, analyzing trends, and interpreting regulatory requirements. The main objective is to develop time-efficient and cost-effective drug development strategies and ensure early awareness of regulatory changes. In pharmacovigilance, regulatory intelligence helps track safety regulations, reporting requirements, and supports signal management. It acts as an internal tool to keep employees updated and provides country-specific regulatory insights. Regulatory intelligence helps organizations stay updated with new guidelines, technologies, and regulatory harmonization. It is used for market entry strategy, labeling updates, clinical trial planning, and risk management. Regulatory intelligence ensures compliance, strategic planning, faster approvals, and better decision-making. In conclusion, regulatory intelligence is a critical function in pharma for staying compliant and competitive.